What if we need to find out the integration of the product of two functions? There we need to know integration by parts. The formula of integration of the product of two functions u, v, where u and v are functions of x, is u integration of v minus integration of product of the derivative of u and integration of v. If we say that these are the first and the second functions, then we can also say that the integration of first and second function is given by first function into integration of second minus integration of derivative of the first function and integration of the second function. Now how do we decide which is the first and which is the second function? We have isolate. Isolate represents I inverse trigonometric function, L logarithmic function, A algebraic function, T trigonometric function, and E is the exponential function. All functions are considered as first and the second function in the order of isolate. Example, x sin x. We have to find out the integration of the product of x sin x. Now which will be the first function and which will be the second function? For that, see, x is the algebraic function and sin x is trigonometric function. So according to isolate, which comes first? X comes first. So x has to be the first function and sin x has to be the second function. According to the formula, it becomes first function integration of second minus integration of product of derivative of first function and integration of the second function. We know that the integration of sin x is minus cos x. So x into minus cos x minus derivative of x is 1, integration of sin x is minus cos x dx. So this becomes minus x cos x plus minus minus becomes plus, integration of cos x dx. This becomes minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. Therefore, integration of x sin x dx is equal to minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. One more example for you. That is, we have to find out the product of the integration of the product of x log x. Which will be the first function and which will be the second? Again write down isolate. X will be algebraic function. Log x is logarithmic function. Which function comes first? Log. Therefore, log x will be first function and x will be second function. We will write it in the same order, first function and second function. Apply the formula, first function integration of second minus integration of the product of derivative of the first function and integration of the second. Log x will remain as such. Integration of x, what is the integration of x? That is x square upon 2. So here we will write x square upon 2 minus integration of derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Integration of x is x square upon 2. Next step, log x into x square upon 2 minus integration of, when we solve this expression, x and x gets cancelled. So we are left with 1x upon 2 dx. This gives log x square upon 2 minus x square integration of x is x square upon 2. So this becomes x square upon 4. Final answer will be log x square upon 2 minus x square upon 4 plus c.